Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Blockchair API keys step by step clearly. To authenticate with Blockchair API keys, begin by visiting the Blockchair website. Create an account if you do not already have one. After logging in, navigate to the API section of your dashboard. There, you will find an option to generate a new API key. Click on the button to create a key. Once generated, make a note of your API key as you will need it for authentication. Next, open your preferred coding environment. Prepare to make API requests using a programming language like Python or JavaScript. For Python, ensure you have the requests library installed. You can install it by running pip install requests. If you are using JavaScript, you may want to use Axios or the Fetch API for your requests. Start by setting up your request headers. In the header, include your API key for authentication. For example, in Python you would add headers equals x_API key, your _API_ key. Now, determine the Blockchair endpoint you want to access. For instance, to get Bitcoin data, use the endpoint https://api.blockchair.com/bitcoin/stats:. Send a GET request to the endpoint including your headers. In Python, this would look like response equals requests.get, URL, headers equals headers. Check the response status to ensure your request was successful. A status code of 200 indicates success. You can then process the response data according to your needs. Make sure to handle errors appropriately to manage any issues that arise. Repeat this process for any additional API calls you wish to make using your key. Always keep your API key secure and do not share it publicly. That concludes the authentication process with Blockchair API keys. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.